So we have our drilled pen blank, 3/8 diameter hole. We have a roughed up brass tube. This sits inside the pen blank. This is a pen insertion tool. I have gloves for protection. I have medium CA glue, cyanoacrylate, and I'll put glue all over the tube. And I'm going to spin it as I push it in. Help distribute the glue. Give a little push at the end. And the goal is to make it flush with the end. We're going to mill that later on. And then we're going to hit it with a little accelerator. That mist will get down inside, and instead of waiting 5 minutes, it'll be dry in 10 to 15 seconds.